Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to return an item you bought on Etsy whether the product arrived damaged, incorrect or simply isn't what you expected? Etsy allows returns depending on the seller's returns policy. So in this guide, I'll show you step by step how to return an item on Etsy in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, each seller sets their own return policy. You must contact the seller first. It works on mobile and desktop, and its returns usually have time. Returns usually have time limits. Okay. So first thing first, check seller's returns policy. So before requesting a return, open the item listing or order, scroll to shop policies and check return window, accepted conditions, and who pays return shipping. Okay, so now go to etsy.com, sign in, okay, and click profile icon and then purchases and reviews. Order details page opens. Okay, now tap help with orders. So you will have some orders here. Just tap your order and select message seller. Explain reason for return. For example, hi, I received the item but would like to request a return according to your shop policy. Thank you. So seller provides returns or return instructions. Okay, so after approval, pick item securely, use provided return address, and add tracking if possible. So keep shipping reset. Okay, so once seller receives return, refund issued or replacement sent. Refund timing usually 3 to 10 business days after processing. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.